Welcome back to the Celtic Farm in our no-till, no-dig gardening series. Today's episode, we're going to cover planting techniques that will set your no-dig garden up for success. From direct seeding to transplanting and the importance of proper spacing, you'll learn how to plant with confidence while keeping your soil healthy and undisturbed. Hey there gardeners, it's Master Gardener Steve, and as mentioned, we're diving into the nuts and bolts of planting in a no-dig garden. We'll explore the best methods for direct seeding, the art of transplanting, and how to space your plants for maximum growth and minimal weed pressure. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, direct seeding, an essential skill for any no-dig gardener. In a no-dig garden, direct seeding's a breeze. The soil's loose and full of organic matter, making it the perfect place for sowing seeds. Here's how to do it. Step 1, lightly rake or smooth the top layer of compost. You don't need to dig deep, just create a smooth, even surface. Next, make shallow furrows with a trowel or your finger and drop in seeds at the recommended spacing. Cover them lightly with compost and give them a gentle watering to settle the soil. For seeds that need warmth or light, you can add a thin layer of mulch around the seed rows. Just be careful not to cover the seeds directly, as they need light to germinate. Now let's talk about transplanting. This method is perfect for crops like tomatoes, peppers, and kale, which benefit from a head start indoors. First, be sure to harden off your seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a week. This reduces transplant shock. When you're ready to plant, just make a hole deep enough for the root ball. Water the seedlings well before transplanting to make the process smoother. Gently remove the seedling from its container, keeping the root ball intact. Place it in the hole, backfill it with compost, and make sure not to bury the plant too deeply. Finally, add mulch around the base, but leave a small gap around the stem to prevent root rot. This is very important. This mulch layer will keep the soil moist and weed-free. Proper spacing is crucial for healthy plants and productive garden. Always consider the mature size of your plants. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation and an increase of the risk of disease. Use companion planting to maximize space. For example, plant quick-growing crops like lettuce between slower growers like tomatoes. The lettuce will be harvested before the tomatoes need the extra room. For leafy greens, you can use intensive spacing to create a living mulch that suppresses weeds. Just be sure to harvest regularly to keep everything from overcrowding. Consider succession planting to make the most of your garden space. Stagger your planting times for a continuous harvest throughout the season. Here are some general tips. Water your seeds and transplants well, but avoid overwatering. In a no-dig system, the soil holds moisture beautifully, so focus on deep watering less often to get healthy root systems. Remember, in a no-dig garden, we feed the soil, not the plants. A healthy, well-composted soil will naturally support vigorous plant growth. Tools like a dibbler or a widger can make planting more precise and efficient. Use them to create uniform holes for your seeds or seedlings without disturbing the soil. With these seed planting techniques and overall other planting techniques, you'll be able to grow a productive and low-maintenance no-dig garden while keeping your soil ecosystem intact. Thanks for watching this episode in our no-till, no-dig gardening series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Share your planting success stories or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting. And oh, by the way, stay tuned for our next episode in no-dig, no-till, where we'll uncover some other secrets that will be valuable to your efforts going forward.